This video will show you which one is better, whether Elementor or Gutenberg. So if you're building a WordPress site, let's compare Elementor and Gutenberg. So Gutenberg right here. Gutenberg is a WordPress built-in block editor, lightweight, fast, and great for basic layouts. It's free and keeps your site simple but has limited design flexibilities without extra plugins. Elementor, on the other hand, is a powerful drag-and-drop page builder with tons of design options, templates, and if you want creative control, it is very beginner-friendly, but the free version has some limits, and the pro version costs extra. So if you want to choose between the two, I suggest to choose Gutenberg if you want simplicity and speed. Choose Elementor if you want advanced design tools and more creative freedom. Actually, both are solid options, so pick based on your design needs and budget.